Today I have a busy day in front of me. I have to decorate 14 honey dippers, all with one of my favorite designs, Cabinet Mountain. So it's gonna be a busy day. You can check out how I carve them and how I X them out in my other videos. Link will be at the end of this video. So let's start. So let's start with drawing the design. I do this often, so I'm quite familiar with the design. I do everything freehand, so each one is unique, and I adapt it to this particular piece of wood, so there's always slight changes in everything. So let's do some smoke here. Okay, a little trail leading up to the house. Okay, what else? Some grass. And the mountain here. A little moon here and a star. Okay. Okay, that looks okay. So, time to start Kolrosing. All I'm using is my knife, tip of my knife, Mora 106. So let's start. I do like deep lines, so sometimes I go 2 times over the same line. So sometimes I see Kolrosing, it's really thin lines that are not deep enough, so it just gets washed away too soon, and my Kolrosing stays put. As long as the spoon lasts, the Kolrosing will last too, so that's important. Let's try the roof now. This is my first piece from 14 I need to do today, so I'll have enough practice. Let's do the mountain here. See, it's not a straight line, so I'm doing the stabbing motion just to have absolute control and more depth right away. Nice deep line. I quite like this design. I love the mountains, so this is very dear to my heart. So I don't mind doing 14 of these today. Okay, let's do the star now. It can be challenging to make really good designs for Kolrosing because you have to do a nice design with the fewest amount of lines possible, you know. You should avoid too many lines at the same place because the grain can break and you're gonna have a mess. So, and still you want a design that's recognizable. You know what's it about and so on. Let's do the chimney. We have a tight curve here, so better pay attention. It's easy to mess up a tight curve. So if you're just starting out, avoid them. Do nice straight designs and you'll do good. this little round window, also challenging part. If you're just starting out, I advise you to do nice straight designs, straight lines. Practice that first. You're gonna get less frustrated. You have to watch it not to slip over the line here. It looks messy then. So it takes a bit of patience, especially when you're doing 14 like I am today. Okay, starting to look good. Let's do the little trail here. Second time to make it deeper. Okay, let's do the grass here. Okay. Grain is a bit hard here, so went 3 times. Okay, a little bit more here. Let's do the so you can also do small dots with a knife, you know, to enhance the design. Okay, this looks pretty good. Have the moon left and some more. And also this smoke here, I'll have to try and let's start from here and these tight curves. Okay. Good. And the last one. Okay, all done. What do you think? And here they are, all 14 done.